Conjunctions. They join words or word groups. An example is, she is happy and John is sad. The conjunction in this example is and. The roles of conjunctions are to join words, join phrases, or join clauses. And they can act as coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, or correlative conjunctions. A conjunction can join words. Examples are, Onika bought a candy and coney. Rondo or Mary will call you tomorrow. The conjunctions in these examples are and or. A conjunction can join phrases. Examples are, Mary kept her toys under the bed or in the box. Cats have furry bodies and whiskers. The conjunctions in these examples are or and. A conjunction can join clauses. Examples are, the cat won't eat until James comes home. If you are late to school, I will be sad. The conjunctions in these examples are if and until. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordination conjunctions are used to join words, phrases, or independent clauses. Examples are, my mom wrote a letter and drew a picture. Would you prefer to attend school in person or online? The table is very strong, yet it can last for years to come. Conjunctions in these examples are and, or, and yet. Subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions can introduce a subordinate or dependent clause. Examples are, school is closed because it is a holiday. Wherever Sam goes, people tell her she looks like Mom. The conjunctions in these examples are because and whenever. Correlative conjunctions. A correlative conjunction is a two-word conjunction used to connect words or phrases used in the same manner. Examples are, both James and Mary are friends with John. You will be allowed to sit either in the first seat or the second seat in the classroom. The conjunctions in these examples are both and either and or.